Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will learn something about birds. Okay, we'll know about the birds with the help of this puzzle. Okay, so what is the question given here on page number 10? So this is page number 10, bird search. Okay, now what you have to do is circle the names of the birds in the word grid given below, either across, down or down with the help of the clues. Now here, look here. Now here is your word grid. This is your word grid and this is your clues. So what you have to do is with the help of this clues, you will need to find the bird or the name of the bird in this grid. Okay, so we will now start. Okay, now see, read the first clue. What is the first clue here in bird search? That this bird can fly backward. Now which bird can fly backward? Do you know which bird can fly backward? Yes, it's the hummingbird. Now look at the picture here and here. Can you find hummingbird? Yes, the first picture is hummingbird. Now you have to find hummingbird in the word grid. Now try finding hummingbird in the grid. Can you find it? Can you find it? See, look here. Here is the hummingbird. Okay. This bird can fly backwards. Okay. So circle this in your notebook, in your textbooks, in your GK book. Now read the next question. Now what is the next question here? Yes, this bird is considered the symbol of peace, which means ये जो bird है, it is a symbol of peace. It helps to spread peace all over the world. So which is that bird? That bird is a white color bird. Now can you see a white color bird here? Here in this picture or here? Can you find it? Yes, we can find it here. This is the word which we were looking for. This is the bird which we were looking for. Now, you have to find the word dove here in the grid. Okay, in this grid. How will you find? Try finding on your own. Can you find it? I hope you can find it till now. Okay, so here this is the word dovette. D-O-V-E, dove. Okay, so circle it with your pencil. Very nice. Now read the third clue. This is the world's fastest bird. Okay, this is the world's fastest bird. Now which is the fastest bird? Yes, this is a falcon. It is the world's fastest bird. It is very fast. Okay, so now you have to find falcon in your grid. Now everyone start finding falcon in your group, in your grid. Can you find falcon? Yes, search harder everyone. Where can you find falcon? I'll give you a hint. It is towards the left of dove. Did you find it? I hope you are able to find the word falcon here. Can you find it? Yes. Here is the word falcon. Falcon is the fastest bird. Okay. Now, I think the next question you all might be knowing the answer. Now, what is the question here? Read the first question here. This is the national bird of India. What is this? This is the national bird of India. Do you know who is the national bird of India? Yes, it's a peacock. It's a beautiful peacock. It is a beautiful peacock. You know peacock is very beautiful. It dances very gracefully. Yes or no? Yes. So, what will you do? You will find peacock in the grid. So, try finding peacock in the grid. I hope you all will be able to find, because you all children are very smart. So, let's see. Can you find peacock? Not on the picture, but on the grid here. This is the peacock. Now, then let's read the fifth question. This bird lays the largest egg. Now, which bird lays the largest egg? This is the ostrich. Yes? So, you have to find ostrich in the grid. Now, find ostrich. Can you all find ostrich? I'll give you a hint. It is nearby to the word peacock. Now, can you find it? Here. Ostrich. Yes or no? Yes. This bird, ostrich, lays the largest eggs. Okay. Now, we will go to the next chapter. Not next chapter, but the next question. This bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. That means this bird is very smart. But this is question number 7. We have to first read the question number 6. This bird does not make its own nest. Which bird does not make its own nest? Yes, that bird is cuckoo. And where does cuckoo lays his eggs? Yes, in the crow's nest. Okay, it does not make its own nest, but it lays eggs in crow's nest, in other birds' nests. Okay. So, where can you find cuckoo? Find on your own, everyone. Try searching it on your own. Here is the word cuckoo. So, here is cuckoo and here is the word cuckoo. Okay. So, now we will read the question number 7. This bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Means this bird is very smart. This bird is considered to be very wise. This bird is very smart. So, which is this bird? Who is this bird? This is an owl. Now, can you find owl in your grid? Can you? Yes, it's right at the center. This is owl. Here. This is owl. Now, read the 8th question. This bird makes a unique sound while pecking on trees. Means this bird makes a very unique sound while pecking on trees. Which is this bird? This bird is a woodpecker. Now, can you find woodpecker in the grid? I will give you a hint. It is on the top of the grid, okay? Try searching for woodpecker. Did you find it? Yes, it is here. This is woodpecker. Yes? Now, we will repeat the questions now. This bird can fly backwards. This is a hummingbird. Here is the hummingbird. Then, this bird is a symbol of peace. Which bird is this? This is dove. Then, this is the fastest bird. You know it is falcon. Where is falcon? Can you find falcon here? Then you have, this is the national bird of India. It is a peacock. Can you find peacock? Yes, we have found peacock. Then, this bird is the national bird of India. Then this bird lays the largest egg. Which is this bird? This bird is ostrich. Now, this bird does not make its own nest. Which is this bird? This bird is cuckoo. Cuckoo sings very beautifully. Okay. Now, the next question. This bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Which is this bird? This bird is an owl. This bird makes a peculiar sound while pecking on trees. This bird is an woodpecker. Yes or no? Yes, this bird is an woodpecker. So, hummingbird can fly backwards. Dove is a symbol of peace. Falcon is the fastest bird. This peacock is the national bird of India. Ostrich lays largest eggs. Okay. Cuckoo does not make its own nest. And owl is a bird which is very smart, very intelligent. Then woodpecker makes a unique sound while pecking on trees. Okay. Now, next. Turn, children. Now you will turn to page number 11. Okay. You will turn to page number 11. Animals are friends. Yes, children. Animals are also our friends. Okay. Why? Because animals help us in many ways. Okay. They help us in many ways. They are our friends. Now see, look at the question. First question. This animal gives us milk. Okay. This animal gives us milk. So what you have to do here is circle the animal that is odd one out. Okay. So the one, now what you have to do, you have to circle in here. Look, question number 1, you have to circle the animal which doesn't give us milk. Okay. So look here. Cow gives us milk. Does giraffe gives us milk? No, giraffe doesn't give us milk. Horse also gives milk. So here, which will be the odd one out? The giraffe. Okay, giraffe doesn't give us milk. Okay. Now, read the second question. This animal gives us wool for clothes. Now, yak has a fur, very nice fur, so it gives us wool. Sheep also gives us wool. Yes, but does fish gives us wool? No, which is a food. So here the odd one is fish. Yes. Then the next question. What is the next question? These animals help in carrying heavy load and people on the back. Okay, so these animals help us for carrying heavy loads and people on their backs. So you use donkey for carrying heavy loads and people also? Yes, very nice. Then camel also. We use them for traveling purposes, for carrying heavy loads. But do you use turkey? Turkey is a kind of a hen. आप hen पे heavy load रखते हो? नहीं. So this will be the odd one out. Okay. Again we'll repeat. This animal gives us milk. Milk makes us strong. We should drink milk every day. So giraffe doesn't give us milk. Okay. Then these animal gives us wool. Now why do we require wool? जब winter season आता है, when there is winter, we feel cold. Yes or no? Then you need warmer clothes to make yourself warm. Yes or no? So that you do not feel cold. So wool help us to keep our body warm, which is why wool is very essential. Okay. So yak gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool, but fish doesn't give us wool. Yes or no? Yes. Then these animals helps in carrying heavy load and people on their backs. So yes, we use donkey for carrying heavy loads and people. We also use camels for carrying heavy loads and people, but we do not use turkey for carrying heavy loads. Okay. Now see, there is a small box below. Okay, this is a tidbits. Now what is written in that yellow comment box? Dogs are indeed our best friends. They can help us in many ways. Primarily as guards, keeping intruders away. In some places, dogs are used in farms to protect other animals. In cold places like Alaska, dogs pull sledges. Some dogs help blind people to move around. They are also used by the army and the police to sniff out bombs and criminals. Can you see dogs are so important? Dogs are our best friend. You see, they help us in many ways. They help us by acting as a guard. They guard our house. Yes or no? They keep intruders away. So they help us to safeguard our house. Yes. In some places, people use dogs to protect their animals, so that when wild animals come to eat the animals, the farm animals, the dog barks and informs and let the owner know that there is some intruder in the farm. And children, in some places like Alaska, dog helps to pull these sledges, okay, so they can move from one place to another. And dogs also help to blind people to move around, so that they can move around easily because they cannot see. Yes, and dogs are very helpful in army and police, so that they can sniff out bombs, and they have an acute sense of smell where they remember and they can identify criminals and bombs. Okay, so dogs are our best friend. Okay, now children, turn your page to page number 12. Okay, so here this is a new chapter, which is I love my India. Now what is happening here? Now Noe needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Now what does Noe wants? Noe wants your help. And why in what place or why Noe needs your help? He needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. Now, how will you help him? By reading the question and guessing the correct answer. Okay. So, read the first question. Our national animal is. Now, who is a national animal? You can see in the picture below the question. Which animal is this? This is a tiger. Yes, this is a tiger. So, a national animal is tiger. Yes or no? So, what will you do? You will take tiger. Now, again, read the next question. The question number 2. Our national flower is the dash. Now, again, look at the corresponding picture here. Which flower is this? This is a lotus. So, what will you do? You will tick on lotus. Our national flower is the lotus. Now, read the third question. Our national bird is. Now, if you remember the previous chapter where you had learnt about the bird search, okay? So, the question number 4, in that bird search, you had read about the national bird of India. Do you remember? Yes. So, who is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. See, the picture here is of peacock. So, our national bird is the peacock. Okay. So, you will take on peacock. Now, read the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Our national fruit is. Now, what is our national fruit? He is the king of the fruits. Yes, our national fruit is also the king of the fruit. Now, can you find out? Can you guess the answer? Yes, you can easily guess because you are smart. You all are smart children. So, see, look at the corresponding picture. It is of mango. So, our national fruit is mango. Yes or no? Now, read the question number 5. Our national tree is. Now, what is a national tree? Can you see the picture here? Its roots are hanging from the tree. This is a banyan tree. Okay. So, our national tree is a banyan tree. So, what will you do? You will put the tick. Our national tree is the banyan tree. Now, read the question number 6. A national emblem. Now, what is a national emblem? Our national emblem is the lion capital. Okay. So, here you will mark C. Okay. So, we will just have a quick recap here. Our national animal is tiger. So, you will take tiger. Our national flower is lotus. So, you will take lotus. Okay. Now, our national bird is peacock. So, you will take peacock. So, it is 1B, 2A, 3C. Our national fruit is mango. So, 4B. Our national tree is the banyan tree. 5C. Our national emblem is the lion capital. 6C. Okay. So, what are we going to do now? We will just have a quick recap. Okay. Whatever we have learned till now. First, we learnt about birds and we found their names in the grid. So, the first question is, this bird can fly backwards. Which bird can fly backwards? Yes, the bird which can fly backward is the hummingbird. Now, the second question. This bird is considered the symbol of peace. Now, which bird is considered as the symbol of peace? Yes, the bird dove is considered as the symbol of peace. Now, This is the world's fastest bird. Now, which bird is the fastest bird? Yes, the falcon bird is the fastest bird. Now, question number 4. This is the national bird of India. Now, which is the national bird of India? Peacock is the national bird of India. So, next question. This bird lays the largest egg. Which bird lays the largest egg? Yes, the ostrich bird lays the largest egg. Now, this bird does not make its own nest. Now, which bird does not make its own nest? Yes, the bird cuckoo does not make its own nest. Now, question number 7. This bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Now, which bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom? Yes, owl is this. Owl is the bird which is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Now, question number 8. This bird makes a unique sound while pecking on the trees. Now, which bird makes the unique sound while pecking on trees? The woodpecker. So, the woodpecker birds make a unique sound while pecking on the trees. Now, we will go to the next page. Okay. So, now the first question. This animal gives us milk. Now you have to circle the odd one. So whom you will circle? You will circle giraffe, because we do not get milk from giraffe. Okay. Now this animal gives us wool. Okay. So whom you will circle? You will circle fish, because fish doesn't give us wool. Okay. Now the next question. These animals help in carrying heavy loads and people on their backs. The turkey doesn't help us in carrying heavy loads or people on their backs. Now we will again read about the dogs. Okay, dogs are indeed our best friends. Yes, they are our best friends. They can help us in many ways. They help us in many ways. Yes, they help us in many ways. Primarily as guards, keeping intruders away. And in some places, dogs are also used in farms to protect other animals. Okay, in cold places like Alaska, dogs pull sledges. Some dogs help blind people to move around. They are also used by army and police to sniff out the bombs and criminals. You can see a beautiful picture of a dog in that comment box. Okay. Now the next page. Now we will go towards the next page. The next chapter is I love my India. Okay. So now read the question. Novi needs your help to identify the national symbol of India. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Now you will read the first question. Now again you will read the first question. Our national animal is, now you all know children, our national animal is tiger. Okay. Now read the second question. Our national flower is lotus. Our national flower is lotus. Now read the third question. Our national bird is peacock. Our national fruit is mango. Our national fruit is, what is our national fruit? Yes, it is the yummy mango. Yes or no? Yes. Then, what is our national tree? Our national tree is the banyan tree. Yes, the tree which has its root hanging outside. Okay. Banyan tree is our national tree. Now, question number 6. Read question number 6. Our national emblem is, what is our national emblem? You can see the picture here. Yes, you can see. Towards the left of the question. Yes. What is our national emblem. Our national emblem is the lion capital. Okay. Yes. Now children, this is all for today. Have a great day. Thank you children.